Hi everyone. I'd like to introduce BoneRig, a next-generation add-on for Blender, designed for high-end humanoid rigging and character animation. Let's dive straight into the workflow. No time to build from scratch? You have two powerful options here. You can load our one-click Mannequin preset, or use the Armature panel below to create a custom rig for your own character. The setup is a simple three-step process. Step 1. Create Armature. Generate the base skeleton. Step 2. Generate rig. Build the intelligent control system. Step 3. Attach mesh. Bind your character, and you're good to go. Now, let's click the Mannequin button. This instantly gives us a pre-built character with a professionally optimized structure, so you can start testing or animating immediately. No prior setup required. Next is the Rig tab. At the top of the panel, you'll find the Custom Shapes button, which allows you to toggle control visibility on and off.
Below that, you'll find the Bone Collections. These allow you to manage visibility for specific chains, such as Arm IK and Arm FK independently. No more hunting through long bone lists. You only see exactly what you're working on.
Let's switch to the Controls tab, where the real work happens. Under Pose Mode, you'll find the IK and FK buttons for seamless switching, while the Reset Pose function lets you snap back to the perfect base pose in an instant. Most rigs are static and rigid. Their IK and FK systems exist simultaneously, duplicated in the background, unnecessarily cluttering the scene and draining the animator's focus. Generally, in the world of character animation, technical limitations often come at the expense of creativity, as manual IK/FK switching is simply wasted time. BoneRig breaks this cycle. Experience the automatic IK/FX system, where the rig is not a stiff structure, but a dynamically evolving, intelligent system. It's a new philosophy. The rig is an active, aware software environment that reacts to the animator's movements. When you switch between IK and FK, you aren't just flipping a simple toggle. You are triggering a complex transformation process where the system calculates positions and rotation matrices in real time, ensuring a flawless, seamless transition. The true power of BoneRig lies under the hood. Through dynamic detection, the system constantly monitors your selection. As soon as you click an IK bone, the software instantly generates the necessary logic for that specific situation. Switch to FK, and the system transforms instantly. No redundant, hidden bone chains, just clean mathematical motion, exactly when you need it. This technology guarantees an uninterrupted workflow. There's no need for manual matching or hand-adjusting bones. The rig understands your intent and subordinates itself to the creative process. This reactive behavior allows you, the animator, to truly focus on the performance, not the technicalities. Timeline management is handled through the animation panel. Here, you can define your animation mode. Simply choose the IK or FK logic. In the keyframe section, you can add or delete keys using the Add and Remove buttons, allowing you to manage your animation dynamically. With the built-in Motion Paths feature, you can instantly visualize the arc and rhythm of your movement. At the end of the workflow, you'll find the Action panel. The Finalize button completes your work, preparing the animation for export. The goal of BoneRig is to bridge the gap between complex rigging and fast-paced animation production. Stay tuned. The leg system is coming soon. Subscribe to follow the development of this rigging tool. BoneRig Freedom of Motion.